Delta Dental of Arizona Foundation knows that children without dental insurance don't get the same access to dental care and services as other children. And those children are often in families where their parents are working, but they're unable to provide the insurance privately, or their company or small business isn't able to afford it. So many of the programs that we support really target the children of working parents who are uninsured, and we try to provide them access to good dental and preventative dental care and services.
Delta Dental of Arizona is the #1 insurance provider for the state of Arizona. Through that corporation and through their foundation, we feel that it's good to give back to the community. It's important that Delta not only be a leader in the healthcare, but also be a leader in the community when it comes to philanthropic donations and gifts and things like that to undeserved areas.
One of the important dental health messages is for people to understand that we can prevent dental disease. This is the #1 childhood disease. It affects more children than asthma and hay fever combined, and more than 51 million hours are lost every year in school time due to dental problems and emergencies that students face.
It starts at a very early age, when the teeth are just starting to come into the mouth, that they take good care of them at this age, and the parents make sure that the kids get into good habits. Dental sealants are important to the community because this is the first step in stopping tooth decay in young individuals. What a sealant is it's a plastic-like material that's placed into the grooves and ridges of the back molars and grinding surfaces of the teeth, and this helps to seal out any type of cavities or decay that can get into this area. So the Delta Dental Foundation feels that if we can start prevention at a very early age, then later on we don't have to get through some extensive dentistry that these young individuals would have to go through without the sealants.
So we developed a Smile Bag toothbrush distribution network where schools, nonprofits, and dental clinics that need to hand out basic dental supplies like a toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss for the students and children that they serve have access to those supplies. It's not helpful to teach children how to brush properly if they don't have their own toothbrush.
The partnership with Delta Dental Foundation of Arizona has been fabulous for the Children's Museum. We have had so many families come in and benefit. They've really had their eyes open to what dental care can do to benefit their children's lives. And it couldn't be a more appropriate place because young parents are eager to learn about how to give the best opportunities to their children. So they're here in this fun, safe place, and we're handing them toothbrushes and floss, and we have kids who come in who have never had a toothbrush. And the tooth fairy held the giant toothbrush, and she taught how to brush in circles, and she got this family with their 2 young children fully engaged in how important it is to brush your teeth. This family came back to find the tooth fairy and thank her, because every day the children were asking, could they please brush their teeth? They wanted to do it, and she wanted us to know that for years she had tried to get them to brush their teeth, and they wouldn't do it, they didn't like it, and this had completely changed the dynamics of their family, and it will change their future. And that's the kind of thing that happens when a strong partnership gets together with the positive sides that we can each contribute to it to make a difference for kids. In the month of February, we were able to provide every visitor to the museum with a Smiles bag. And the Smiles bag has toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and really vital information about what tooth care is for young children. These bags were the hottest items in town. We had 20,000 visitors, and every person made sure they took their bag and got their materials, and also had programming to go with it. And we saw school groups come from all over the region who attended, from all different levels, socioeconomic levels, who benefited from this kind of information and had fun here, but also took this information home to their parents. And we hope that made a difference for them. It was very eye-opening for us as a staff to see kids come in who had never had a toothbrush before and to be so excited to get their own toothbrush. I think it was eye-opening. We didn't really believe or own that this really happens in America today. And so we felt very honored to be a part of that change in the dynamics for some of these families.
Delta Dental of Arizona Foundation is very excited and open to working with a variety of businesses and corporations around the state. We look forward to using volunteers from various businesses in our programs and our special events and health fairs. We also welcome in-kind services and contributions of professional services that a business might have available and would like to contribute. So we're always open to creative partnerships in the business and corporate community and would be very excited to have you join us in combating children's dental disease.
On behalf of the Board of Directors of the Delta Dental Foundation, I'd like to thank you for partaking in our golf outing this year, and I hope you have a great time and looking forward to having you back again next year. And remember that 100% of the money that you donate toward this golf outing is going toward helping to seal and varnish some young individuals' teeth. Thank you.